and burst, so it's even bigger than the biggest follicle. And maybe we can actually find one here.
The corpus luteum on the low polar.
Let's see. What's going on here? Well, it doesn't really look much like an ovary. Let me get a different one. It had a corpus luteum in it. Yeah, this is more typical. All right, that's low power. That there is a corpus luteum. See that? Even bigger than a follicle. But it's still sort of follicle-shaped, big, round, multicellular structure within the ovary. And when I show it to you, you'll see follicles next to it. So look at these follicles. You even have a maturing follicle right next to it. But see, when ovulation happens, they get a lot bigger and they burst. And then they fill up with these other cells whose job it is to make progesterone. Under the influence of luteinizing hormone, it becomes a corpus luteum. Corpus luteum means yellow body. This doesn't look yellow because it's been stained, but in an unstained preparation it looks yellow because it is full of yellow fat, which is loaded with cholesterol. Now you notice, you can see it here if you're up close, but just to show you, you see how it looks like it's all spongy? Like it's got all those holes in it? Those are actually fat droplets, filled with cholesterol-laden fat, because that's the raw material from which progesterone is made. And that's why it's yellow. And that's why it's called a corpus luteum, or yellow body.
So on the practical, it'll look like this?
It'll look like this, yeah. I mean, this actually is a good view because in your microscope, this particular one just about fills the field. So it might be low power or medium power. And that's when you see a big round structure that's filled with a lot of cells, and the cells have a lot of fat globules, white spots. That's a corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is about the most efficient steroid factory known, natural steroid factory.
Mine's is different.
Well, there's two different batches of slides. Well, those are follicles, first of all. That's why they were follicles. You will see follicles even in a luteum. No. Is this the corpus luteum over? See this one right here? This is the corpus luteum. Looks just like that.
Well, I don't know how to.
Take a look. See, it's a big round. The border doesn't look much different inside or outside. So the cells inside are loaded with those fat droplets, right? See all those white spots. It really looks just like this. It's just they're so big though that it's hard to find the borders.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you look at the borders.